Thanks for choosing the Archive of the Indigenous Languages of Latin America. If you are interested in accessing the freely available resources, then you need to request a free account on the site. To create a free account, click on the Login button on the top right corner. If you don't have an existing account, please create an account by clicking on Create an Account, which is a purple link button below the gray Login button. If you already have an account, go ahead and log on to the platform. You can verify that you have successfully logged in by checking the icon in the top right corner of the homepage, where your initials will appear inside a purple circle. Additionally, you will receive a success message confirming the login. Now you are ready to access any unrestricted content without any additional steps. Start by searching for any content you are interested in viewing. You may notice that some content has a blue login required pill-shaped icon. This is the visibility setting that indicates that logged-in users may access the media files. If you are already logged in, then you don't need to take any further steps. But if you still see the purple login button in the top right corner, then you need to log in first to access the content. After verifying your login status, simply click on the title in the Set's Name column to open it. Remember that the blue login required pills shown just indicate the visibility status. They are not instructing you to log in. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to visit our LibGuide or contact us at AILLA@ailla.utexas.org. Thank you for being part of the effort to preserve and celebrate Indigenous languages.